In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find impressions on GA4. Google Analytics 4 or GA4 has become a powerful tool for marketers and website owners alike looking to understand and improve their online presence. Today, we'll navigate the complexities of GA4 to show you exactly how you can track your site's impressions. Impressions, as many of you might know, indicate how often your site or advertisements appear to users, giving invaluable insights into your visibility across the digital landscape. First things first, let's head over to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure you're signed into your Google account. This is paramount because Google Analytics is tied directly to your Google account, making it easier to access all of Google's services seamlessly. So, click on the Sign In button. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your Google Analytics. Enter your password carefully. I know it might sound trivial, but ensuring you're entering the correct details is crucial for a smooth experience. Then click on Next to proceed. After you've successfully signed in, head to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an array of Google apps represented by a grid of dots. Click on it. Among the various apps displayed, you'll find Google Analytics. This is your gateway to deep diving into your site's performance metrics, including the impressions. Upon clicking on Google Analytics, you'll be brought to the home dashboard of GA4. Here, you're going to want to navigate your way to Reports. This section provides a comprehensive view of your site's data collected through GA4's intricate tracking. Now, within the Reports section, click on Business Objectives. This area is particularly important because it helps you align your site's data with your overarching goals, whether that's increasing visibility, enhancing user engagement, or boosting retention rates. Speaking of user engagement and retention, that's exactly where we're headed next. Click on User Engagement and Retention. This section breaks down how users interact with your site, offering insights into their behavior, and how it aligns with your site's objectives. As we dig deeper, our next stop is Events. Events in GA4 represent the interactions users have with your site. These could range from page views to button clicks, playing a significant role in understanding user behavior, and since impressions are a vital part of gauging visibility and user reach, tracking them under Events is pretty straightforward with the right settings. Now, to get to the heart of tracking impressions, we need to apply some filters. Click on Add Filter. This function allows you to customize the data you're viewing by isolating specific metrics or dimensions that interest you. Filters are incredibly powerful in GA4, enabling you to drill down into the nitty-gritty of your site's performance. After clicking on Add Filter, we need to add a dimension based on your ads. This step is crucial because it helps you track the impressions of your ads specifically, giving you clear insights into how often they are being seen. By selecting the dimension that matches the specifics of your advertisements, you're tailoring the data to your needs, ensuring you get precise information on your ad's performance. It's essential to mention that navigating GA4 might seem daunting at first, with its myriad of options and settings. However, by following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of tracking impressions. Remember, impressions are more than just numbers. They offer a glimpse into your site's reach and potential to engage users. In our journey today, we started from the very beginning, logging into Google, navigating to GA4, and meticulously making our way through the reports section. Each step, from selecting business objectives to drilling down into events and applying the right filters, is aimed at guiding you to successfully track your impressions. GA4's robust platform offers a wealth of data to help drive your site's objectives forward. By understanding how to pinpoint impressions, you're unlocking a part of GA4's potential to provide actionable insights. Tracking impressions is just the tip of the iceberg. GA4's capabilities stretch far beyond, ready to support your site's growth and success. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on how to find impressions on GA4. The path to mastering Google Analytics 4 is ongoing, and today you've taken another step forward. Keep exploring, keep analyzing, and most importantly, keep optimizing. Your site's potential is boundless, and with GA4 you have the tools at your fingertips to unlock it. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next digital deep dive together.